Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to power off your Samsung Galaxy A05s and A05. So here is my Galaxy A05s and to power off this phone it is very easy. We have two ways. The first one, go to the top bar and swipe again. And here in the top we have the power off icon, just tap on it. And from here you can select power off, restart or call the emergency. So it is very easy. The second way, just push and hold the power on off button like this. Push it and here is again the power off menu, and from here just select power off or restart and then tap it again, and that's it. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful and see you to the next. Have a nice day.